Take my hand and we'll go away to a different place.
Hi my loves, how are you today? I'll show you how to make this elegant bun with a raw braided detail. But instead of this raw braid, you can make any type of braid, so it will look different every day. So let's get started. We'll begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then you want to select all our hair excepting a big and long section underneath like I'm showing, and with the rest you want to make a ponytail using a clear elastic. Then you want to make an opening through the ponytail and bring that hair through it, and then again you want to grab the ponytail and bring it through the created hole again. And one more time, if your hair is longer, you can definitely bring it through this opening again. Make sure to pin it in place well using one or two bobby pins. Then you want to fan it out. Now with remaining section, you want to divide it into two, twist each strand one way and then cross them around each other opposite way. So you twist one way and then cross around each other opposite way. So you want to continue until reaching the end. Then you want to tug on the edge of the braid to make it full and voluminous looking. Secure it with a clear elastic. Now you want to grab this braid and wrap it around created already bun. Hide the ends, pin it well in place, and you're done! Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this version of an elegant bun. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys, see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!
Take my hand